Good morning, it's Vlogmas day 2. So thank you for coming back, and thank you for coming or clicking on this video if you've never clicked on my video before. It is 6:57 and I just finished getting ready, putting my makeup on, showering. Well, I clearly have wet hair. I worked out this morning, discovered that I really need to wear my knee brace, so I need to find that in the next few minutes. But behind me, getting ready for the live stream over on the gaming channel. I do have a gaming channel. It is linked, not down below, but maybe I should, but it is linked in the channels portion of my channel. There's, there's different tabs on the channel, like there's the about section, the community tab, all that stuff. In the channel section, you can find it. Anyway, so I gotta grab some coffee, get this ready, make sure everything works and is good to go, and then we'll play some Animal Crossing. I'm also expecting my Whole Foods order between 8 and 10 today, so I hope it doesn't happen during the stream, but if it does, we'll just take a break and receive some food. All right, let me get ready for the stream. I also am currently taking apart my office, so this is it's kind of a mess. I have stuff on the floor too, so it's not it's not the best right now, but it'll be neat in a few weeks, I promise. All right, so bad news. I'm having technical issues and the stream ended only after 20 minutes. My capture card keeps freezing, but also my cam link froze too. So I'm shut everything down, and I'm gonna have to maybe reinstall everything. I don't know. Hey guys, it's me again. It's 2:34 and I have been licking my wounds for the past, I think a few hours, because when my stream crashed this morning, I was super bummed out. I was like, what is the problem? It did resolve itself. So hopefully the next time I stream, it's not going to completely crash on me, but the crashing just bummed me out because I love streaming over on the gaming channel, and I was concerned because I have another stream tomorrow, but hopefully that'll be fine because I'm only using a couple things on the stream. So yeah, I've been playing Animal Crossing and trying to feel good about myself. So we got our Amazon, Whole Foods order this morning, and we ordered a ton of food, and the refrigerator is kind of a disaster. So I'm gonna just get everything into its container so that I can arrange it all, and I'll let you guys know it'll be part of the video, a refrigerator organizing video. Do you guys love it? Do you love it? Do you love this part of Vlogmas? Refrigerator's a bit of a mess. See, I just stuck stuff in here, so, and the condiments are all crazy and stuff, so we're gonna sort this out. And look, we got dead cilantro here. So I'm showing you guys what real life is like here in the house. So we're gonna organize this, and we're gonna fix it up, and it'll be nice and pretty the next time you guys see it. Okay, here we go. Okay, I think this took about a half an hour, but we're all set and ready to go. Everything's unwrapped. We've got this stuff over here. I always like to unwrap my vegetables because I like to know what's in here, because otherwise things get lost. And what are these? These are cut apples. There's radishes and cauliflower there. There is, let's see, this is celery, carrots, kale, the extra celery and carrots that didn't fit in there, or that we cut, I think we cut a few. There's cilantro, lettuce, and bok choy. Back there's asparagus and spring onions way back there. And there's a little leftover action, some avocados. And in the dairy drawer, we got some meat, lots of cheese, and eggs, and yogurt, dairy yogurt there too, some orange juice, some condiments, olives, pickles, things like that. And we've got other pickles. I guess I didn't really organize this area very well. And then over here we've got sauces, hot sauces exclusively, and then stuff we cook with. So it's back to its normal state, and now I have to get started on the lamb chili for tonight's tree decorating party, I guess, that we're having. Okay, it is ready. I am also very hungry and ready to eat, and so is my husband. So we're going to eat this, drink some wine, and decorate the Christmas tree. It's gonna be very fun. Right, Clover? What are you eating? The chili is done, and we are ready to decorate the tree really fast. Well, not super fast, but you know, we've got some time constraints, but we gotta get the tree done. So we're listening to Christmas music. It's gonna be really festive. We're gonna have some lamb chili, and we're gonna drink some wine, and it's gonna be great. There's a lot of bread in the front.
Good?
Yeah. What?
That's hot.
It's hot, right? Hot temperature or hot spicy?
Spicy. So,
The pickle. Where did the pickle come from?
I don't remember.
I wonder how many, like, just gold and silver ones I can fit. You know? I'm gonna try.
Yeah.
Maybe I should be more specific. All but red and green.
Well, pickle.
Look. Oh, okay. The pickle's an exception. The pickle is special.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be
Oh, you wanna, okay. Okay. So we're done decorating the tree, and I'm really happy with how it looks. Hello, Clover. I know your dinner time is very soon. I know I'm gonna feed you very soon, very shortly. So I haven't really talked about the strange, well, not strange, I guess it's good, growth on the channel in the past 28 days. I haven't looked specifically, but I know that there's been something as to the tune of 10,000 more of you than there usually are, well, than there have been for a while, that arrived to my channel over the past 28 days. And I want to say thank you for subscribing, welcome, and thank you for giving me a chance. This year, this Vlogmas content is different. I mean, the world is different, and I was just talking to my friends a few days ago about how there's going to be a generation of people that are going to be completely changed by living through this entire thing. Decorating the tree really kind of brought home the reality that I'm not going to be able to visit my family this year. And when I say my family, I mean, I'm mostly talking about my mother and father, who are dealing with some really hard stuff. I haven't really talked about it a lot on my channel, but it's some really hard stuff. And I was so grateful to go down and visit I think it was like now a month ago, maybe a little under a month ago, and hang out with everyone and meet everyone who's there. Everyone is there to help my parents and help them, you know, live as normally as they possibly can. But because of this world situation, I'm thinking now that it's stealing some time away from me to spend with them, and I'm sad today after being so festive. So I'm doing all the comfort things, and I have been doing all the comfort things probably since October, I think. I've been, you know, playing Animal Crossing. You guys come over to the gaming channel because that's all just like really nice. I've been listening to familiar comfort music. I've even been singing again, which is something I don't do very much these days because it makes me sad. But I just wanted to let you guys know, if this is where you find some comfort, that I am so happy that you're here with me. I know that I also turn to some channels for comfort, and I really appreciate that they're there, even though they don't know they're there for me. You know, it's like kind of weird. You develop this sort of relationship with, you know, this one-sided thing with people who don't even know that you're there appreciating their stuff, and that it's bringing you so much happiness, but they have no idea. It's kind of magical in a way. But yeah, I mean, I don't know what I'm saying. I just wanted to thank you for coming over here and hanging out with me, even if I'm not organizing anything today or cleaning anything today or talking about anything educational today, because I'd like to be able to do that stuff in every video, but I just don't have the mental energy to do that for 25 days in a row. But tomorrow will be a great video. Well, by the time you see it, it'll have already happened, but I'm having Jen Obermeyer on the live stream. I'm so excited. If you missed it, please go and watch. If you're interested in becoming a professional organizer, she has all the tea. So I guess that's it. So Clover is ready to eat. Are you ready to eat? Do you want some dinner? Are you hungry? Yeah? Okay. Well, I'm gonna go feed him, and we're gonna go outside in the wet. I think it's raining. But I just want to let you know that I appreciate you and thank you and welcome if you are new. I don't know what else to say. I hope you're having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I don't want to work out tomorrow, but we're going to do this. We're going to do this. Yeah. Working out after 40 is a thing. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. We're going to do this. All right, Clover, you want to eat? All right. Let's eat. Ready? Let's go.
Having a good time.